Okay, so now we're going to move on to the lattice method of multiplication. So this means that you have conquered the window or the box method. It also means that you have conquered and mastered the partial products method, and you're ready to move on to the lattice method. The hardest part of the lattice method is actually drawing the lattice, and so that's why I give you the lattice, so you don't have to waste your time on drawing it. So once you have your lattice template like this, we can do our math. So if I have 37 times 26, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 37 up here, the 26 here, and I'm going to start multiplying. So 2 times 7 is 14. So I'm going to put the 1 here and the 4 here because this is for the tens, this is for the ones. 3 times 2 is 6. There are no tens, so I'm going to put a 0. 7 times 6 is 42. And 3 times 6 is 18. Once I have that done, what I'm going to do is I am going to start adding, just like in the others, but I'm going to start adding this way. Okay, and you want to start at the bottom in case we have to carry the numbers. So let's go back to our adding. So 2 plus nothing is 2, so I'm going to put a 2 here. 4 plus 4 plus 8 is 16. So again, I'm going to put my 6 here, carry the 1, and bring it up to the next row. So now I've got 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1. So that's 9 and 0. Now I can read my number this way. So 37 times 26 equals 962. So let's try another one. So I'm just going to grab a different lattice. We'll make it bigger so we can see. And let's go with 24 times 35. 24 times 35. So 24 is going to go up here, 35 here, and I'm going to start multiplying. So 3 times 4 is 12. Got my tens place and my ones place. 2 times 3 is 6. Nothing in the tens place, so I'm going to put a 0 there. 4 times 5 is 20. Got my tens place and my ones place. 2 times 5 is 10. So same thing, I'm going to start adding, but I'm going to go this way. So in this column is just 0. So I'm going to put a 0 down there. Now I'm going to add 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 4. Then I'm going to add the next one. Okay, so 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. And this is 0. So 0. So 24 times 35, I'm going to read it this way, is 840. Okay. You can use this lattice method with any amount of multiplication. So we could come up with some bigger numbers if we wanted to. So let's say we had 120 times 15. Okay, same thing. 0 times 1 is 0. I'm going to put the zeros there. 1 times 2 is 2. Another 0 there. 1 times 1 is 1. 0, 10, and 5. And then same thing. All I have to do is start adding this way. Okay? So that's the lattice method. It's easy once you know it. The big things are to make sure that you're adding and you start from this bottom right-hand corner and work your way up, and that you're carrying any numbers into the next row.